And now we have a very special request for a young lady who didn't wear her boots today. But that's okay, because it's time to fall into the deep waters and the depths of your soul. This is where you will discover fairies wear boots. Tipping is all that you do. Vienna. Are you digging the Sorcerers of Sabbath tonight?
I might need another beer for C Sharp.
I wasn't kidding when I said to check your soul at the door. A spooky story I may have for you. Once upon a long time ago, the very first time I heard the Black Sabbath song, the title song, the one that stole my heart and took my soul somewhere else. I was told when you first listen to this record, you turn all the lights out. You close all the windows. You light one candle in the window. You close all the doors. And then you play the song. And we began playing. I heard the rain. I heard the bell. I heard the coming in of the guitars. Bow, bow. The candle that was inside of a room with a closed window flickered. We noticed the door in the closet began to fucking open. The candle went out. We bolted out of that room, running down the driveway to the main house. There was a big black figure in the driveway with the light shining from behind it. All we saw was a silhouette. We run right into it, thinking it was the devil. But it was my friend's father, who stood 6'2". My friend's father was the preacher of the church nearby. And the words came out of his mouth. Michael, Charlie, I told you not to listen to that devil music. Now you're surely gonna... And we vowed never, ever, ever to play that record again. At least not until the next time. It might have been something along the lines of a wheel of confusion.